Skinwalker Ranch, also known as Sherman Ranch, is a property located in the Uinta Basin near Ballard, Utah, in the United States. It gained notoriety due to reported paranormal and unexplained phenomena, including alleged sightings of UFOs, mysterious creatures, and strange occurrences. The ranch has been the subject of various investigations, and its reputation is often associated with Native American legends of skinwalkers, shape-shifting witches with the ability to transform into animals. The ranch's paranormal activity became widely known in the 1990s when it was owned by Terry and Gwen Sherman. The Shermans reported a range of bizarre incidents such as cattle mutilations, crop circles, strange lights in the sky, and encounters with mysterious creatures. The family eventually sold the property to billionaire aerospace entrepreneur Robert Bigelow in the mid-1990s. Bigelow's interest in the paranormal led him to establish the National Institute for Discovery Science, NIDS, a research organization dedicated to studying anomalous phenomena, including those reported at Skinwalker Ranch. NIDS conducted various investigations on the property for several years, but much of the information collected was kept confidential. The ranch gained additional public attention when investigative journalist George Knapp and author Colm Kelleher published a book in 2005 titled Hunt for the Skinwalker, which detailed the strange occurrences on the ranch and the investigations conducted by NIDS. In 2016, filmmaker Jeremy Corbell released a documentary titled Hunt for the Skinwalker, based on the book, further bringing attention to the mysterious happenings at the ranch. The documentary included interviews with witnesses and researchers who shared their experiences and theories about the unexplained phenomena. While Skinwalker Ranch has become a popular subject in the realm of paranormal and UFO research, skepticism surrounds many of the claims and anecdotes associated with the property. Some critics argue that the reported phenomena may have natural or conventional explanations, while others remain intrigued by the mysteries surrounding the ranch. It's important to note that the scientific community generally regards claims of paranormal activity with skepticism due to the lack of empirical evidence and the subjective nature of many reported experiences. In March 2020, Brandon Fugal, 46, Utah real estate tycoon, announced ownership of the ranch. In 2022, Fugal announced a partnership with the Hutchings Museum Institute in Leahy, Utah, designed to better understand the environment and historical significance of the ranch. Fugal and the History Channel have been recording a reality TV show on the property titled The Secret of Skinwalker Ranch. The show attempts to bring scientific approaches to the mysteries surrounding the ranch. Fugal has brought in a team of scientific experts to find answers to the questions that he and countless others have asked over the years. Like so many investigators before them, the current occupants of Skinwalker Ranch have found more questions than answers. Why does electronic equipment seem to malfunction on the ranch? Why have so many occupants reported unexplained illnesses? Why does the indescribable feeling of strangeness they feel on the ranch seem to follow them home? Dr. Travis Taylor, who was a part of the team which studied the site last year, thinks he knows at least one thing that could be leading to all of the unexplained occurrences. Dr. Travis Taylor says, "If you look at the Uinta Basin on Google Earth, to me it looks like an ancient meteor impact crater. And in fact, it looks like it came from the east to the west at a low inclination. And that's what splattered the salt flats to the west of the Uinta Basin. There's gilsonite all around the Uinta Basin, which typically is only found in a meteor impact crater, plus all of the petroleum that is underneath the Uinta Basin. There are a lot of geologists and natural physicists who are now beginning to think that impact craters cause a phenomena that creates petroleum. If you look at this impact crater, the ranch is dead center, give or take, but it's pretty much dead center. And perhaps something to do with the bowl shape of the basin, or whatever caused the basin made the center or the nexus for whatever the activity might be. So what do you think? Is it extraterrestrial visitors, interdimensional visitors, geophysical processes causing the brain to hallucinate, or something else? Comment below your thoughts on Skinwalker Ranch. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe.